So I think we can look at question number 20. The equation of a curve is y is equal to 2x cubed minus 6x plus 3. The first question is find the coordinates of the two turning points of the curve. How do you find the coordinates of the two turning points of the curve? Turning points, actually, these are the points where the gradient is equivalent to 0. So if we want to find the coordinates of these two turning points of the curve, first we'll have to differentiate the equation that we have, that is y is equal to 2x cubed minus x plus 3. If we differentiate this equation, it will give us 6x squared minus x 6. Since dy over dx, that is equivalent to gradient, is given by 0, then we'll have to find the value of x at that given point when the gradient is equivalent to 0. So the value of x will be negative 1 and 1. Then after that, we'll have to take the values of x, that is negative 1 and 1, we substitute back to the equation to find the values of y. So the first point will be negative 1 and 7, and the second point, after substituting negative 1 back to the equation, it will give us 1 and negative 1. Question B is saying for each turning point determine whether it is a maximum or a minimum point. We have 2 points, that is negative 1 and 7, and the second point is 1 and negative 1. We have two ways of to determine whether the point is a maximum or a minimum. For example, we have this point that is negative 1 and 7. We want to know if it is a maximum point or it is a minimum point. So what does it mean by maximum point? Maximum point, it is a point which is above the y-axis on a Cartesian plane. And minimum point is the point that lies below the line x-axis on the Cartesian plane. That is the first point, because we have the value of x as negative 1. So when this gradient is shifted to the right side, it will be 0. To the left hand side, it will be negative 2. You substitute these values back to the equation. If you substitute negative 2, the value will be 18. Then negative 1 will be 0. Then 0 will be negative 6. So this point is a maximum. When the gradient is shifting from positive to 0 then to negative, the point is a maximum point. Alternatively, you can differentiate dy over dx is equal to x squared minus 6. If you differentiate that one again, it will give you 12x.